The darkness surrounds me, I'm giving in. I try to escape, but I'm stuck in this place. My heart is racing, my soul's in a daze. I've got claustronyctophobia, fear of the dark. I'm searching for a lighter spot to leave my mark. I'm trying to break free from this endless night, but it's got me paralyzed, it's got me in its sight. I'm searching for a way to overcome this fear, but it's got me cornered, it's always near. I try to face it, but it's hard to bear. The thought of being trapped with no escape to share. I've got claustronyctophobia, fear of the dark. I'm searching for a lighter spark to leave my mark. I'm trying to break free from this endless night, but it's got me paralyzed, it's got me in its sight. Claustronyctophobia. Claustronyctophobia.